Perform basic toilet maintenance every 3 to 6 months to prevent slow flushing and persistent plumbing problems. Start by lifting the tank lid and inspecting the siphon jets located under the rim for mineral buildup. Use a small brush or a stiff toothbrush and white vinegar to scrub each jet until water flows freely through them. Check the overflow tube inside the tank for scale and run a funnel of undiluted white vinegar into the tube, letting it sit for 30 minutes before flushing to dissolve deposits. Test the flush performance by holding the flush for a full cycle and watching the refill. If the bowl does not clear in a single flush, use a flange plunger to clear partial clogs, positioning the plunger to form a seal over the outlet and pushing with steady, controlled strokes. If plunging fails, use a closet auger by feeding the coil down the drain until resistance is felt. Then rotate the handle clockwise while applying gentle forward pressure to break or retrieve the obstruction. Remove and clean the trapway edges and the base of the bowl with a non-abrasive cleaner to remove hair and residue that slow flow, and always wear gloves when handling tools or cleaning the inside of the trap. Keep a simple log on your phone or a small notebook, noting the date of cleaning actions and any change in flush quality, so you can spot gradual decline before it becomes a major repair. A common mistake is waiting until the bowl clears very slowly before acting, which allows buildup to harden. Prevent that by sticking to the 3 to 6 month cleaning cadence and noting any change sooner. Another frequent issue is using harsh, undiluted chemicals that can damage seals and internal parts. So use diluted white vinegar for mineral deposits and enzyme cleaners for organic buildup, and avoid repeated use of concentrated acids. People often skip inspecting tank components and only focus on the bowl which misses valve or refill problems. Lift the lid, observe the flapper, fill valve and refill tube, and replace worn parts promptly to keep full flush power. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and compare options for projects like plumbing, maintenance, and repairs. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and our site hosts a discussion community where users share experiences, ask questions, and trade practical tips.